Hi guys! Today we are going to be making one of my absolute favorite things to make during fall or autumn, and that's the keto pumpkin muffins with cream cheese. These are absolutely easy to make. You can freeze them, and if you're new here, then kindly subscribe. Please help me get 500. I will highly appreciate. Use them as part of an easy breakfast regime during the week. They're absolutely lovely. And to make the muffins, I like to start by making the cream cheese filling first. And this is what you'll need. Some cream cheese. Make sure to use soft and cream cheese. It just makes beating up everything much easier. You're also going to need some powdered sweetener. I'm using powdered monk fruit sweetener, but you can use any low carb sweetener of your choice, such as Suave. And then we're just going to flavor that with some vanilla extract. Apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, then whisk together. The dough will feel slightly firm, but that's okay. Use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to distribute the muffin batter. I'm going to use 2 spoons and carefully drop the cream cheese on top. And there's really no perfect way of doing this. What's important is to have fun. If you have a really tiny ice cream scoop, then by all means use that. That will be perfect for distributing the cream cheese. If you have any leftover cream cheese, then by all means use it up. I like to sprinkle some pumpkin spice on top, and then these are just ready to be popped in the oven. Allow the keto pumpkin muffins to cool, serve and enjoy. Printable recipe at paleolocupcake.com. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.